So guys, how to draw dotted or dashed line in Adobe Animate? It's really simple. We have our pen tool selected. Now go to right side, style, click on the drop down. From drop down, select the dashed line. Now it seems like really easy, but there is a problem here. The problem occurs when the stroke size is high. Now if we draw the line, see, it's not a dashed line. But if we zoom in, seems like a dashed line, but the gap is too narrow. So how to fix this problem? Go to right side again, style, click on these three dots, then edit stroke style. From the type, choose the one you want. Now to increase the gap between the dash, increase the spacing value slowly. And for dash length, increase the dash value. After you are done, press on OK. Let's draw the line again. See, we have our dashed line. For dotted line, same, go to right side, click on these three dots, edit stroke style, type, dotted spacing. After you are happy with the preview, click on OK and draw your dotted line. So guys, that's how easily we can draw dotted or dashed line in Adobe Animate. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.